no, they're going to go in boats.
Yep. We're going to the Rainforest Cafe today in Disney Springs. And we are going to check it out. Here's what the surroundings look like at Disney Springs. But we're going to take you inside the Rainforest Cafe. So we're at the Rainforest bar. We're going to order a couple of drinks. We'll show those to you in just a minute. And we'll have a look around here and see what this place is all about. Marcy said you get to keep the glass. They're $15.99. Here's a lot of other drinks. I'm gonna get the shaker, margarita shaker. You know me, I'm gonna get the margarita. But they have a lot of other different drinks that you can get here. And there it is. Shake it up. There it is. And I get to keep the shaker. That is so awesome. Alrighty. Thank you. The Rainforest Passion Fruit Shaker Margarita. We're going to give this a try.
What do you think?
It's fruity. It's good. Marcy's going to like it.
Yeah.
I could take it or leave
I knew
it.
you'd want my input.
I could take it or leave it.
Pretty good.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's refreshing. And what do you got, babe?
I have a rainbow frozen margarita. It's got coconut, strawberry, I don't even know what all, but it's good.
Yeah.
And you get to keep the glass.
Yep, you get to keep the glasses. Some of the drinks here, I know the lighting is not too great, but I had the Rain Passion Fruit Margarita the last time. It comes with a shaker, you get to keep it. And if you order at the bar here, when we take it to our table, you can get it refilled at a discounted price. I can't remember what the price was, but just a heads up if you're gonna do this one. We got the chips and the dip, cheese sticks, chicken, and we got, what is this again? Southwestern egg rolls, and the ribs here. And I think Marcy over here took a couple of my ribs. And you got 3 different sauces. They have an outdoor seating here at the Rainforest. If you don't want to sit inside with all the critters, you can sit out here by the water. And you can see the circus area over there, the big balloon, paddlefish restaurant over there, and right next to it is the T-Rex. I've heard the T-Rex is not that good, so we haven't done that one yet. Don't know if we will or not. Maybe we'll stop in for a drink and just check it out that way. But here comes the rain. Got a couple of elephants over there. They're not scared. Hey.
I had to over here.
Oh, they're over there. Oh, there you go.
I'm Tracy Tree. Everybody loves animals. The African rainforests are home to parrots, such as the African gray, and others too numerous to mention.
Highly recommend this place. If you're in Disney Springs, this is our favorite restaurant to eat at. Hey baby, how was your food at the rainforest?
I loved it.
Was it good?
It was delicious, and the drinks were good, and I loved the atmosphere. It was absolutely beautiful.
Would you do it again?
I sure would.
You'd do it again? I would too. It was really good. This is the Rainforest Cafe. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Really appreciate it. Till next time, see ya.